Authorization confirmed. Access granted. Proceed to checkpoint 2.
Scan complete on batch 45789-A.
Confirmed. Moving to inspection area.
Security seal checked.
Verification complete. All parameters match the master specifications.
Confirmed. Transferring plate to the secure cabinet.
Look at position 47. We have an abnormal reading on the watermark sensor.
I see it. Let's pull the batch for manual review.
Lane 3. Registration error detected. Rerouting to manual inspection.
Bay 2, authorization code 49er Whiskey. Clear for departure.
All security protocols confirmed. Vehicle 1, you are cleared for departure. Main gate opening. Secure transfer of shipment 42 completed. Received and verified. Seals match manifest. Closing the vault.
spectro confirms the readings are stable. The client proofs match the reference. We are good to release the press.
The UV ink on this corner is inconsistent.
I see it. Send it to the review station immediately.
Looks good, the wrap is secure.
Confirmed. Ready for scanning.
Pallet 74 scanned and secured.
Confirmed on the manifest. We are clear for sealing.
Seals confirmed. Digital manifest verified.
Gate opening. You are cleared through checkpoint 1.
Control to Sierra 1. Gate opening now. Proceed with caution. All units, maintain current spacing. Approaching checkpoint Charlie. Clear on the left. Watch your spacing.
Inventory confirmed. Move to lane 3.
Allocation record confirmed for batch 7. Seal container 12.